sound like.
What's up, y'all? My name is Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am serving you weather map realness here. I was inspired by Japan style, so it's also inspired by a weather color map. You know, the ones with the greens, the yellows, and the orangey reds or whatever. Yeah, so I decided to recreate that. He did like a wig version, but I decided I'm going to create an eye look out of it. So if you like what you see, please be sure to continue watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. This quality is so great simply because of great lighting. I don't have this kind of lighting back home in Austin. Let's do my brows, because I feel like they're kind of bushy. Yeah. This dry air has been kicking my ass. Listen, I was born and raised in this climate. I think I got acclimated to Texas weather, because listen, I woke up today, double nosebleed, blood everywhere. I'm not a fan of blood. I wanted to be a doctor, but then I realized I suck at math, and blood and me, can't do it. So this morning was kind of traumatic. So for brows, I have the Morphe M413 brush, and I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Granite, because one, I ran out of my micro brow pencil by NYX, and I'm quite upset by that. I call Austin home, I call Canada home, I don't call every place home. I only call Canada and Austin home. Cause like, I feel like I built such a great life in Austin. I really thought I was gonna be lonely as fuck. I thought I was gonna be lonely. I thought I was gonna be uncomfortable, because this is the first time I've like fully moved, not fully moved out, because I feel like I still have I still have a full wardrobe back here. I still have all my filming stuff here. Like, I have a lot of shit here. But I feel like I built such like a life in Austin where I feel so comfortable. Like, if I were to fully move out and fully like indulge myself in Austin, Texas, I'll be fine. Completely fine. I'm happy that I've reached this point. But right now, I'm annoyed. But I'm not going to talk about the situation right now, because if I talk about it, I'm going to get annoyed. I'm going to cuss up. I might do some threats of the terroristic nature. I don't feel like doing it right now. So, yeah. I'm the worst person to explain your problems to. It's so terrible of me. I'm so sorry. It is so terrible of me. But if I can't relate, I don't care. I can't empathize with you. So, there's that. That's why I can, ooh. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the shade D35 Neutral. I'm going to do one eye at a time, because just got to make sure that what I'm doing is what I want to do. And plus, this is a great eyeshadow primer thingy. Whatever. I'm just going to take this Amazon brush from my Amazon brush set, and I'm just gonna blend that all in. For my first color, I'm gonna go into the shade Orb from the Morphe 3502 palette. It's like, I'm at the point where I know what I want to do with my life, but what I'm doing currently, not even gonna lie, don't really want to do it. I've been saying I want to do it, but now that I'm here, I have to do it. And if you know me, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm not going to dive too much into it. My father knows, my siblings know, everybody knows, everybody that I'm close to knows that it's just not what I want to do. But since I'm here, I'm not just going to throw away the opportunity. You know, gotta be grateful or whatever and do it. So the next, taking that same brush, I'm going to go into the shade Ablaze from the same Morphe 3502 palette. And I'm just going to place that right here, basically on top of the first color, but above the crease, kind of, you know, and just really swirl it in the outer corner. But yeah, I'm at a place where, because compared to like this time last year, not even gonna hold you, I didn't want to do I didn't want, like what I'm doing right now, I didn't want to do it at all. at all, sis. I was in the mood. So, I mean, I guess because, well, actually this time, I'm gonna be honest. This time last year, I was freaking out. Wasn't sleeping. Insomnia was basically like my best friend back last year. I gained a shit ton of weight because I was stressed. Why was I stressed? Because I didn't get any law school acceptances during this time. And usually by April, February, between April and February and April is when the overflow of acceptances come in, or rejections. I wasn't getting either, so I didn't know what the hell was going on. So me being impulsive, I already started looking for apartments to move out of, because you know I was scared that this is so terrible, but I was so afraid of not being accepted. I would rather just, you know, not deal with it and just leave. And for me, that was the first time where like it was an overwhelming amount of stress, because I really didn't know what I wanted to do. I didn't want to go to law school. I still don't. I'm there, but I'm here, so I might as well just make the best of it. But I have been having a blast in the situation that I'm in. I've been having a lot of fun. But in school, it is boring, sis. It's not even hard. I just don't like it. I told my father, he's like, oh, how's school? Boring. It's not hard? No. But I don't like it. I just don't like to, you know, it's weird. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just not a fan. I'm not a fan at all. But regardless, anyways, I'm going to take this Amazon brush from my Amazon brush set, and I'm going to go into the shade Heat. Yes, Heat from the Morphe 3502 palette. I'm just going to pack that on the brush and really concentrate it in the outer corner of my eye. You know what I need to do? I need to figure out a way to deal with stressful situations. I am terrible with dealing with my emotions. If something stresses me out, you know what I need to do? I just need to take a nap. If I cry about it once, I don't think about it anymore after that. I don't care, because like I don't like to live in that mental space. You know what I mean? So why is it doing that? Okay, there we go. I don't like to dwell on things that stress me out, you know? So if I haven't solved the situation, okay, it's in the back burner, because honestly, I cried about it and I just don't care anymore. That's just how I am. I'm going to take this e.l.f. blending eye brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Brick. Yeah, Brick. Is it a deeper color? I'm going to go into Brick and Rich, mix those two colors together, and just concentrate it in the outer corner. Let's see if that's going to do anything. I'm going to take this flat shader brush from my Amazon brush set. I'm going to cut my crease using the Kat Von D Lock and Concealer in the shade D35 Neutral, the one that we used to prime our eyelids. And yeah, why is the brush doing that? Can I pull these things out? I don't want them messing with my eyebrow, in my lid. How far do I want this color to go on my lid? I want ample space for both colors, so I feel like I should start here. The center of my lid, like right here, I'm gonna go, first of all, I need to blend the edges, Barbara. Let's have some sense, okay? I'm gonna go into the shade Terracotta. I'm gonna use that to blend the edges. There we go. So I'm going to take the color, but I'm going to go into the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Orange. Just going to really pack it on my brush, give it a little spray. And then I'm going to place that in the center of my lid. Here we go. Can y'all see that? I hope so. But the next color I'm gonna go into is, first of all, I'm gonna take the It's My Way by BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. And the thing is, I don't have a yellow shimmer, which is weird. Like I should. Let's check It's My Way. I don't. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the heck? I'm gonna go into the shade yellow. Really pack that on. From the box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use that as the inner corner color. Next, I'm gonna take the It's My Way by BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. I don't even know what else I'm supposed to be talking about, but I'm gonna go into the shade Gold. But I'm not gonna take too much of it, and I'm just gonna lightly press that on top, and there you have it. I have my yellow shimmer. So for foundation, I use the Can't Stop Won't Stop full coverage concealer in the shade Cocoa. So for concealer, I use 2 shades, the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer in the shade D37 Warm, and the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C15. To contour my face, I use a Fenty Beauty Match Sticks in the shade Espresso. And to set my concealer, I'm using my concoction of Laura Mercier powders, both shades, and the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder for that tinge of yellow. Now I'm just taking a pencil brush and going into the shade Green from the box of Crayons eyeshadow palette and running that under my waterline. To sweep away the powder on my face, I'm taking NYX No Filter Finishing Powder in the shade Cocoa. For my lashes, I used AliExpress lashes in the style A21. I'll link them down below. And to glue them on, honestly, I use Beauty Supply glue, but it's like my absolute favorite. It's a specific kind. I can't find it anywhere else except for like my store out here. So I use, it's called the Natural Plus Adhesive for Strip Eyelash in the clear version. That's the only one I use. For highlighter, I use 2. I use the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb in the shade How Many Carats, and the ColourPop Innuendo palette in the shade Glad You Came. And for my lips, I'm just using my usual Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Molasses, and to fill in my lips, I use the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Honeymoon. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the final look. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to, like, if you have any other ideas of what I should, like, grab inspiration from, tell me down below. Let me know. Let's converse, okay? See you guys next time. Bye.
Before I let you